Want to know the cheat code to getting $150,000 in business credit with no personal guarantee, no income docs, and fast approvals? Today, I'm breaking down the exact strategy using Divvy, plus some powerful, lesser-known lenders that'll help you build real funding without touching your personal credit. Let's get straight to it. Let's talk about Divvy, a game changer in corporate finance. Divvy is a corporate card and expense management platform. But here's the kicker. Business user gives testimonial about Divvy no personal guarantee, no hard pull, net 30 to net 60 terms, helps build your business credit, and instant virtual cards. Divvy evaluates your business based on cash flow, not credit score. Pro tip, connect your business bank account during sign-up. They use that to offer your spending limit, which can go from $5K to $50K plus. Here's how you stack up to $150K in credit, starting in no particular order. Divvy, $10K to $50K. No personal guarantee, soft pull, and they report to Dun & Bradstreet and SBFE. Ramp, $10K to $75K. Similar to Divvy, also no personal guarantee. Works best with strong cash flow and offers instant virtual cards. Stripe Capital or Shopify Capital, $5K to $30K. It's based on your sales, not credit score. Money is deposited fast and you pay back through a percentage of sales. Fundbox, $5K to $50K line of credit. They have no personal guarantee options, approve newer businesses, and only do soft pulls. Nav plus Credit Strong, combo, $2K to $10K in building tools. Use Nav Boost to monitor and report, and use Credit Strong Business to add trade lines. Add it all up, that's $150K plus in potential credit, without a single hard inquiry or personal guarantee. Let's keep it real. Here's what you'll need. LLC or corporation, EIN from IRS, business bank account, business email, not Gmail. Business address, virtual OK, DUNS number 3, 6 months of bank statements, monthly revenue, $5K minimum preferred. Pro tip, have a clean-looking online presence, like a basic website and Google My Business listing. Lenders check, close-up of professional checking computer pan across office, showing business activities. Want to maximize this strategy? Set up an LLC holding company and use these cards to fund multiple projects, like real estate, e-commerce, or digital agencies. Use Divvy and Ramp to automate spend, track receipts, and simplify taxes. You look more legit, and lenders trust legit businesses. If you're serious about getting funding without risking your personal credit, this strategy can change the game for you. I put together a free cheat sheet with all the links and steps. Grab it below. And if you want my one-on-one help setting this up, book a call using the link in the description. I'll help you get positioned for funding fast. Smash that like button if this helped you. And don't forget to subscribe for more funding hacks, credit tips, and business game. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on business credit and funding. See you next time.